Hello, Sharon.
Hi.
How long have you been doing this painting?
I've been working on it, I don't know, maybe an hour, a little over an hour.
Just
I think
an
I'm just
hour.
about finished with it. I was just finishing up adding a few details, and I'm almost finished.
Well, where is this place that so many pretty water lilies?
We're in Naples, Florida, at the Botanical Gardens.
Oh, I see. Very nice.
And it's a beautiful day here. The sun is shining, the wind isn't blowing, thank heavens. And I had to paint this palm tree here that's leaning because I think it's kind of neat in there. Anyway, I'm having fun painting all the details now. That's one of my favorite things to do is detail.
Well, it looks great.
Thank you.
Keep up the good work.
Okay. Talk to you soon.